New study published on cancer discovery by Marios Giannakis from the Dana-Farber Cancer Institute in Harvard and my friend Edward Giovannucci from the School of Public Health, Department of Nutrition of Harvard. So in this interesting study, uh, these researcher they performed whole exome sequencing on 900 cases of colorectal cancer of participants enrolled in the nurse health study and physician and professional health study based in Boston, Harvard. And the interesting discovery is that they found a new mutation, alkylating mutation, previously undescribed in colorectal cancer in those patients that had a high intake of processed and unprocessed red meat. So both processed and though both those who had a high consumption of processed and unprocessed red meat had a higher risk of developing these alkylating mutations in the distal colorectal mucosa in genes in the CRAS and PIK3CA genes that are basically driver mutation for colon cancer. And these people had a 47% higher risk of colon cancer mortality than those who had lower mutations. So this is another piece of evidence linking red meat consumption with alterations of inflammatory, in this case, mutation, alkylating mutation pathways in key genes that are driving colon cancer. This is one of the most common and deadly cancers in both men and women in developed and developing countries. So just some food for thought. Thank you for listening.